Hey guys, I had a little tiny chip in my windshield that I noticed the other day. So I picked up this JB Weld windshield saver to hopefully prevent the spread of the crack any further. And this is the first time using this particular brand, but initial thoughts are really easy to use. Clean the windshield, put on the little pedestal there, apply some resin, put a vacuum to it, let that sit for about 20 minutes, take it off, and then you have to apply some pressure to it with that same plunger, and then remove it, and then cure it with that little curing strip right there. So come right back once we finish this up, and I'll let you know how everything turned out. So after letting the resin cure for the appropriate amount of time, this is what we're left with. Just a small little evidence that the chip was even there. After you smooth it off with the razor blade, I can't even feel the chip in the windshield. So I think that was a success, and based on that, guys, I would certainly recommend this JB Weld Windshield Saver Windshield Repair Kit. So I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching the video.